Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect with Moz for keyword planning in affiliate niches, beginner guide step by step clearly. Begin by creating a Moz account if you haven't done so already. Visit the Moz website and click on sign up. Fill in the required details to complete your registration. Once logged in, navigate to the Moz dashboard. Locate the Keyword Explorer tool from the main menu. Click on Keyword Explorer to access the keyword planning features. Enter a seed keyword related to your affiliate niche in the search bar. Click the search button to generate keyword suggestions. Review the list of suggested keywords provided by Moz. Pay attention to the metrics such as search volume, difficulty, and opportunity. Select keywords that align with your affiliate goals and audience. Utilize filters to narrow down results based on specific criteria. Select keywords that not only have good search volume but also manageable difficulty. Add any chosen keywords to your keyword list for easy access later. Once you have a list, analyze the keyword suggestions for intent. Consider using keywords with informational intent for content creation. For transactional intent, focus on keywords that indicate buying intent. Take note of related searches at the bottom of the Keyword Explorer for additional ideas. Next, check the SERP analysis feature for insights on current rankings. This can inform you about your competition for chosen keywords. Once you have a solid list, create content around those keywords. Incorporate the keywords naturally into your affiliate content for SEO. Continue to monitor and adjust your strategy based on performance data. Regularly revisit Moz for updated keyword suggestions and trends. Stay engaged with Moz learning resources to enhance your keyword planning skills. Engage with the Moz community for support and insights on keyword strategies. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.